Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the panel clips on a hot spring NXT spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you will need: 77290 panel clip. Step 1. Remove the door or panel. Step 2. Remove the old panel clip by loosening the two screws. Step 3. Insert the small part of the clip into the large part of the clip. Step 4. Place the two screws into the panel clip. Step 5. Insert the screws into the screw holes and tighten the screws, but do not tighten the screws all the way down. Step 6. Make sure the panel clip slides left to right and up and down. Step 7. Install the door panel. Move the panel clip up and then slide it to the right before tightening the screws. Step 8. Tighten the screws all the way. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.